We have seen older HDBs, more modern looking BTOs, and today we have this. The international award-winning Sky Terrace at Dawson is absolutely stunning. So stunning, in fact, we are pretty sure anyone who drives by will ask this question.
So is this a condo or a HDB?
And we won't blame you for being confused because even we were blown away.
I mean, look at the car park. Tell me honestly, is that not one of the nicest car park you've ever seen? How about floating sky terraces, 24 levels in the air with panoramic views all around?
Now let's take a look at the unit, and we're not kidding when we say it's going to blow your mind. Let's go! This unit has been completely reimagined and is almost unrecognizable as a HDB. Anything that can be changed has been changed. This home is ideal for singles or as a starter home for young couples. While functioning as a one-bedroom, it has luxuries like a storeroom, laundry yard, and an enclosed kitchen that is probably larger than that of a new 3-bedroom condo.
By sacrificing what would have been an underutilized second bedroom, the space is better used to give you this huge living room. We have a partition wall over here and sliding doors to give you the extra little bit of privacy when holding those gatherings. As we step into the bedroom, you again get to appreciate how the extra space has made everything so much more luxurious and comfortable. We have a king-size bed, and if you look at all that, that's all wardrobe space. Except maybe for this one, there's the entrance to the toilet. The owners have cleverly concealed everything behind this super long feature wall.
In terms of location, the name Queenstown speaks for itself. We are a short walk to the MRT and 6 minutes drive to Orchard. Within the immediate vicinity, we have Sheng Siong, a 24-hour NTUC FairPrice, coffee shop, and a cafe right under our block for all you brunch lovers. Being able to live in a house designed by SCDA architects, who usually builds ultra-luxury condominiums or GCBs here and skyscrapers in New York, is a privilege that used to belong exclusively to the super rich, but today, you can enjoy that for less than $700,000.
So we hope to see you soon. Bye!